Smart energy management based on data. A crucial part of this data is the energy usage of each device. Meet Panoramic Power, miniature wireless current sensors. Just snap it on the wire and capture unparalleled energy data. It's that simple. Dozens of sensors can be installed within minutes. These wireless sensors are non-invasive, so there's little to no downtime during installation. They are self-powered, so no need for any maintenance. The data is transmitted through the bridge to our Power Radar platform via Wi-Fi, LAN, or cellular connection, or to third-party systems via standard industry protocols, providing you with highly accurate device-level data in real time. A variety of sensor types enables you to cover any current range or wire size, as well as monitoring of loads where other power measurements are required. Think of the actionable intelligence you can get with this data. Detect energy waste. Compare efficiencies between site and systems to increase productivity. Operational tool for early failure detection, as well as predictive maintenance and much more. Be smart with your energy. Panoramic Power. Energy Insights technology from Centrica Business Solutions.